Hello, my dear students. If you are watching this video, it means that you want more guidance on how to start your capstone project. First of all, we can split the project into three stages: the ideation stage, the creation stage, and the presentation stage. The ideation stage, which is the point you are now, can also be called the proposal writing stage. In here, you are expected to communicate to the audience two primary things. One, what is the project about? And two, how is this project beneficial? Following the usual parts of a research paper, the ideation stage is composed of the following subsections: the introduction, the literature survey, the statement of objectives, and the materials and methods. Meanwhile, during the creation stage, you are expected to produce the working project with your team, as well as document your creation process through taking videos and writing journals. In the presentation stage, an exhibit will be held during which you can share your work to other students and the school community. So a prepared poster that describes your project is necessary. 2 or 3 presenters from your team are also expected to explain your work to the audience. In this video, I will give points on how to write the introduction section through discussing the sample output link in the description below. Specifically, the proposal must answer the following questions. Note that there will be a separate video guide on how you can do the materials and methods section. Before you go on, it would be extremely helpful to your understanding if you read or at least scan the said sample proposal. To write the introduction, we will use the problem solution style of presentation. This means that we will first present the existing problems and then show ways how it is being solved today or how it will be solved in the near future. Let me walk you through the sample proposal. Introduction. It's going to be composed of 3 parts. First is a paragraph or several paragraphs sharing what is the problem, and then the next paragraph showing what would be a modern day solution or an advanced solution to the said problems. The sample proposal is about the smart parking system, which is a response to the problems encountered in traditional parking solution. Traditional parking spaces are low-tech and relies heavily on human labor. Parking attendants open and close parking barriers or parking gates, issue tickets to the motorist, and collect payments from them. This system can be very slow, and since attendants have to manually record the number of cars that go in and out, as well as how long they stayed to compute for the parking fee, it is also prone to error. Corrupt attendants can also take advantage of the system to earn more. On the motorist viewpoint, looking for parking spot can be frustrating, especially during peak hours. Hunting for parking space can also consume fuel and adds to carbon emission into the atmosphere. Accidents are also likely to happen as the driver are distracted while looking for a space. While attendants can direct them, this further adds to the labor intensiveness of the whole process. There is also high cost involved when putting up commercial spaces, which include the covered land area, the installation of parking facilities such as barriers, parking and road signs, parking meters, and so on. One solution to the problem of the traditional parking system is smart parking system. Automation in entry and exit points, as well as online payment solution, will reduce the reliance on human labor. Parking guidance system using apps or LCDs eliminate the need to hunt for parking spaces for extended period of time. Meanwhile, a more advanced system, especially in urban spaces, is the vertical parking system, which involves stocking car in a multi-level steel structure, making it space efficient. This system also uses conveyors, gliding platforms, and even robotic arms for automatic parking, meaning the system can do the parking for you. Drivers are usually issued RFIDs to claim their cars. And that is how the introduction or the problem section, as it is written or shown in the sample proposal, can be done. To recap, it uses the problem solution style of presentation. As a final note, remember that the next section after this is the literature survey and the statement of objectives section. You must write the three sections in such a way that the reader can clearly see how they relate to one another. In the lit survey, show the readers what Arduino-based project has been done. In the sample proposal, I included three smart parking solutions and one vertical parking project, which the reader can understand or relate to, as I already explained what they are in the introduction section. Finally, in the statement of objectives, or quote unquote, the project as it is written in the sample proposal, you need to concisely tell the readers what you plan on doing for the capstone project. You are expected to produce two outputs. One is the recreation of a project that you saw online, and the second is the cardboard prototype that shows how you can improve the project you recreated. This may involve adding more components to the project or improving its functionalities. I know that this template might not apply to all of your projects, so don't hesitate to ask questions via email if you encounter any dead ends. Of course, be prepared to answer any questions I might have about the ideas you have in your head. Good luck!